How to do half swipe on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you the quick way to do half swipe on Instagram. Whether you want to sneak a peek at a message without marking it as read or are just curious about a message without driving all the way in, I have got you covered. So let's get started. First, launch Instagram app on your device. Tap DM or the direct message section at top right corner of the screen. So you are here on the direct messages section of your Instagram. To do a half swipe, select the conversation that you want to sneak a peek at. You need to place finger on the profile picture or name of the person. Then gently swipe to the right, but don't swipe all the way, just enough to preview the message. You will see a glimpse of the conversation, but it won't marked as read. So that is how we can easily do half swipe on Instagram. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.